So check us out here at MGM Classic Cars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars for sale, financing available. We got them all stacked and ready, guys, all detailed. They will be going through service department as well to make sure that everything is up front. So check that out on all of our videos. Don't forget to check out our website at mgmclassiccars.com. We do have awesome, great financing available. That rates start at 6.99% as of today, November 18th, 2025. And let's get ready for the next photo shoot, guys, and the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas here at MGM Classic Cars, here in Addison, Illinois on this gloomy day, but a decent day to go for a test drive. Guys, gals, this is a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This is an L75 model, so it's a numbers matching Stingray, 327, 300 horse V8 engine, rebuilt. It's documented 56,812 original miles. Okay, we have that documented. We also have $38,000 in receipts that was done to this car as far as service records. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission, okay, power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes. The entire suspension has been rebuilt. From what we were told. This car has upgraded cold air conditioning, upgraded power windows. As you can see, very nice exterior, and the interior is very nice as well. The vehicle has been serviced. It has a clean classic auto check report with only 2 recorded previous owners. The last owner owned this car in 2006 out of New Jersey, and the last owner was in Florida. Purchased this car in 2019, and now it's here at MGM Classic Cars. We have a clean, clear Florida title, no accidents reported on it, no flood damage, and nothing like that. It is super, super clean. We did verify that the 327 cubic inch motor is a 300 horsepower engine with the suffix of RD. And we took a picture of the stamp pad to show you that it does match the VIN number to the vehicle, and it does have the RD suffix. Okay, now we are going to go for a test drive. So here's a little bit of the paperwork out of Pompano Beach, Florida, where the gentleman, John, did all of the work, and it's all documented, guys. There you go. Almost $39,000 worth of work that was done and documented. So you are getting a great car. Okay, we're getting ready to go. Just wanted to show you guys that really, really quick. Okay, that's for the hood. There's the 327, 300 horse, numbers matching car. You got your booster and your cylinder for the power disc, upgraded aluminum radiator, and your vintage air conditioning, guys. Let's fire this baby up. Brake up. So it's about 35 to 40 degrees out here. So that smoke is just from it being cold out here. November 19th, 2025. It is cold. The body and paint are nice on the car. There's your original mileage as shown. So I'm going to do the headlight switch right here. I want you guys to see that. So if you're looking at the right side there, that one did open. And now it's closing, as you can see. And the left one, we're going to have to fix that, okay? So as far as horn, does work. You got your lights that we discussed, okay? You got the wipers. I don't see them working. So wipers we are going to fix. Oil. You got your temp gauge, RPM gauge, speedo, fuel, battery. You got the clock there. Clock doesn't seem like it's working. Now, usually if you take this clock out and clean the tips with a little SOS pad, they usually do work. Okay? All right. So we're going to get ready here. Your heat and defrost, air conditioning, all function. You got a stock radio here, guys, from 1964. And I don't hear nothing. So you guys can get a replacement radio. And off to the side here is your air conditioning controller. You got the 4-speed Hurst shifter. Okay, parking brake is down. Clutch feels pretty good. And we are ready. Speedo functions as well, guys. Power steering feels great. And the brakes are awesome. All right, you got your left turn signal working, your right turn signal working. Shifter's nice and easy. All right. Oh man, it's still cold out here, guys. I didn't warm up the motor good enough. These cars are not driven in 35-degree temperatures. But this one is. There we go. All right. All right, gonna get on the main road, hit 3rd gear, maybe 4th. Straight down the road, you hit the brake. Honestly, it doesn't shift, doesn't shimmy on me at all. Back down to 1st, and here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give this thing a tune-up, guys. I'll make sure it doesn't do that. Well, that's the good part of going for a test drive. You see everything, you hear everything, and I show you how it is, guys. All right, downshift back to 2nd. Suspension feels nice on this thing. I'm going to take this turn over here, the next turn, a little bit more aggressive. I do a 360. I don't think I will, but here we go. All right, guys. Well, we're going to head back to the dealership here. I'll put the car back up on the rack and show you guys underneath how clean it is. You guys check out those photos. Now, if you need financing and if your credit score is between like 630 and 770, you will need 10% down and good credit. Okay, guys? So be aware of that. If your credit score, if your credit score there is between 660 and 770, or I'm sorry, 640 to 770, go to mgmclassiccars.com for your credit application. Rates start at 8%. If your score is 775 and higher, go directly to my lender's website, in which I'll have to give you directly. So if your score is 775 and higher, you get a little bit better interest rate starting at 6.99. You'll have to call me and text me for that info, okay? My number is 847-848-1850. That's where you can reach me. I'll make sure this car goes and gets its tune-up like it's neat, like it needs it as shown. And we're here back at the front door, guys. So anyway, if you need delivery, call or text. My number is 847-848-1850. We'll talk soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.